enabling it again. So what you have done, can you explain?
Yeah, actually we have created a file, a pod with pod.yml. In that API version we have given, and what we are creating is a pod. In metadata, we have gave a name to this pod, that is DevOps.8, and labels in that application we have gave some specific name. You can give any name here,
Perfect.
and in specifications containers, and for that name I am using Nginx. So this is my Nginx, and image I have copied from Nginx, and this is run Nginx defaultly will run on, we know that it will run on port 8080, so container port is 80.
Perfect.
And to run this, we have used that cubes. First we have to create this, so that kubectl create -f, that our pod name.
Yeah, pod.yml.
As we stored with pod.yml, we have give pod.yml, and to get the status of the pods, we have to use kubectl get pods. And we can see when the first time I have used, it is creating the container is in still it is creating, so that we can see that it is 0 by 1. As I have used only one pod, I am getting only one status here. And in that, after again, if you use status, the now the pod got into running status, and then I have deleted that pod by using command kubectl delete -f pod.yaml. Recreated the pod again, and it checking the status.
Great. Can you clear the screen? Can you delete this pod?
Okay.
Kubectl delete -f pod.yml. Now, you remember the logic behind the syntax is kubectl create -f or delete -f remains the same. When you're
Yes.
creating, when you're deleting, the place of commands remains the same. You're getting the logic.
Yes.
Kubectl create
Yes.
-f, kubectl delete -f. After that, pod.yml is very common. So now you have created a pod,
Yes.
you have waited for the container to get created. After that, pod got up and running fine. Okay. Now the next concept is replica set. Now what you need to do, just kubectl again create -f. As we have our replica set perfectly in place, you are just going to execute the file. Before going to execute the file, you just need to see walkthrough of the replicaset.yaml file. Now, what is this replica set? How
Okay.
many replicas are there? 3 replicas are there.
3 replicas.
Can you come down? So, what is the image you are using? HTTPD image you are using. Name you are giving
Yes.
it as an Nginx image, and the port, a container port is 80. Correct? So, as of
Yes.
now, what template it is going to take is whatever the previously you have defined a pod. So now going forward in a replica deployment set everything, the pod section will be coming under template. Why? Because template you can reusable. Okay. If you have to create a replica set, you need to know on which pod you have, you need a replicas. Correct? Which image.
Yes.
So going forward, you are going to see the section of a pod under template section. You got my point, what I want to explain?
Yes.
We are calling pod, which is a part of metadata section under template.
Replica set.
Yeah. Okay. Now you can go ahead and run it. kubectl create -f replica set.yaml. It's got created. kubectl get rs. Now give rs. Let's see. See what is the name of the replica that you have given? K8 replica, right? Under the
K8.
metadata name section. K8 replica got created. So what is the desired state? 3. What is the current state? 3. Okay.
3.
Now you need to give kubectl get pods. Let's see either the 3 instances of this replica set got created or not. Fantastic. All 3 got created, 1 out of 1. Are you clear on a replica set?
Yes.
Kubectl delete -f. Pod. No. Kubectl delete pod. Don't give -f. Don't give -f. Pod space pod name. The first pod name. K8 replica. That, yeah, give that name. It says got deleted, right? Now give the kubectl get
Yes.
pods again. See, you
New
deleted,
pod got
you
created.
deleted one, but another pod got created. Why? Because you have given the design
Kubernetes.
the replica set is 3. That's the reason. Whatever, if you delete 2, if you delete 3 also, again the pods will get recreated because of the concept of replica set. The desired, see, when you give kubectl get rs, what do you see desired is number 3, correct?
Yes.
That's the beauty of a replica set. That's the beauty of Kubernetes. If you want, you can delete 2. Let's see. Kubectl delete pod space. Kubectl delete space pod name. Give any name which you can select from 4G and SD. You can give one name at a time. You cannot give multiple names here. Enter.
Okay.
Again, give the same command and give that third pod. SD, which is ending with SD. What is
Got
your
different pods
observation?
here
That
again.
4G and SD got recreated. It got changed.
Yes.
So are we clear on a replica set concept now?
Yes.
Can
If
you
we want to delete uh
kubectl delete
all.
kubectl delete? Yeah, I'm coming to that point only. Kubectl delete -f. You have to delete the replica set now. So replica set.yaml. When we use -f, we are referring to file. What is that file? Replica set.yaml. So when you delete the replica set itself, there's a no more pod is gonna create. Why? Because you deleted itself. Now you give kubectl get pods, nothing will be there. I hope
Okay.
you are very clear on the replica set concept now.
Yes.
Clear the screen and do it from scratch once again. Okay, you want to see replica set? Get rs. Get rs. Yeah.
Okay.
Just give me 1 minute. So now, what is the main concept of a replica set? When you create a replica set, you use a pod template to create a multi-instance of the same pod, correct? Now,
Yes.
The first command what you use to create a replica set, kubectl apply -f replica set. You have deleted everything, right, previously?
Yes.
Yeah, kubectl apply -f and the replica set. Now you have created a replica set, kubectl get replica, get rs or replica set. The command remains the same. Rs, desired state is 3. And if you want to see the pods, kubectl get pods. If you really want to see the functionality of a, no, you have given the wrong command. Yeah,
Okay.
kubectl ls. If you really want to see the functionality of a replica set, desired concept, you can delete any of the pod, it will get recreated because your desired state, you mention it as a replicas as a 3. So you can go ahead and delete kubectl space delete -f. No, no, delete pod, delete space pod name. If we are deleting a specific pod, yes. If you want to go for YAML file, you have to give -f. Now give again kubectl get pods. Whatever 6w you have deleted, it won't be there again. See, 6w is gone. W6 got created.
Yes.
W6, 2 and 9 was there. So PW got created. If you want
Yes.
to delete, you can delete 2 pods. Now, first in first scenario, you have deleted 1 pod. Now you are going to delete 2 pods. Kubectl delete pod space pod name. Don't delete first now, second one, yeah. Perfect.
Yes.
Even though you are deleting, they are getting recreated. That's a concept of replica set. Now, if you delete complete pods, means you have to delete a replica set. Kubectl delete -f and then the file. Okay. Now verify kubectl get pods. As this is our practice environment, we should not keep any of the pods up and running fine or any of the Kubernetes components up and running. It's occupy a space. Okay. Now
Yes.
let's have a walkthrough on a deployment.yaml file. Open a deployment.yaml file. See deployment. You want to give your name there. Deployment hyphen Srinita. Remove Akbar and put it your name. No, no, without space. Specifications replica 3. Revision history limit means you are okay to keep previous 3 versions of the deployment. Now come down.
Okay.
Match labels you are using.
We can change this limit, right?
No, minimum 3
Revision
times
history limit.
be, yeah, minimum 3 few times deployment, then you can see, you can maintain that. So match labels, app is Nginx. What is the next strategy? Rolling update. Okay. So which means if you have a 4 parts, one after another, one down, deployment will done, and that first part will start back. Second part will done,
Okay.
deployment will happen on second part. Again, third part will get down, deployment will happen on third, and once it is up, it will go to fourth. if you say down, there is
If we mention here 2 or 3, that pods will be, I mean, at a time, 2 pods will be recreated, pods will be stopped, like that.
exactly.
Okay,
As of now, we are giving here one, so one after another. So if you
okay,
have around, imagine if you have 100 pots, okay, then here you can give 25. If you have 100, you can give 25. Then 25 pots will get down at a time.
okay,
Come down. See, as of now, we can't use both recreate and rolling. That's why recreate option is commented. Go up. Go a little bit up. See, that recreate option is commented. Type. You saw that, right? Green color. Your screen is getting unshared. Looks like got disconnected. Let's wait.